Firstly, I would say for operating in a country like India, handling the complexity of the market is the biggest challenge that any marketer faces. On one hand, you have the luxury market which is doing so well. On the other hand, there's the bottom of the pyramid. You have metros, you have tier 1, tier 2 towns, there is rural market. Then consumers in different age groups have different value systems. Now, if you want to have a business of a sizable size in India, you need to address at least two or more of these segments, which makes the whole job so complex. You need a product or a range of products which appeal to them. The communication that you put in place, your USP, your creative, everything will have to cut across all these, or you need to have the kind of budgets to promote multiple brands. According to me, the biggest challenge that any marketer faces in India is handling the complexity of the business in India, wherein you are trying to target so many sub countries within one country. The second challenge that I feel that as marketers we face is what is called the big happening thing, digital marketing. On one hand, yes, it is the big thing that's happened over the last year or two in the world of marketing, and everyone has jumped onto the bandwagon. But I don't think so mass marketers have cracked it yet, and majority of us don't know how to use these social engagements effectively, and more so convert them into dollars. On one hand is mastering the science of targeting people, getting them onto your social engagement platforms, but how do you utilize them beyond that point? How do you take these conversations into meaningful relationships and convert them into customers is where everyone is grappling with it. And to add to that complexity is the fact that mobile phones are becoming hugely popular, 700 million and growing, and as I see, a lot more customers going forward will be accessing the internet through mobile rather than through computers, and that's a virgin territory that we have yet not cracked open. Finally, the third biggest challenge that I would say again has been on for quite some time and still continues to be a challenge is how do you effectively measure the ROI of your various marketing and branding initiatives? Which initiative results in better prospects, better customers, better dollars? There are no analytical tools available to measure that, and hence so many times you end up shooting in the dark. So these are the three biggest challenges according to me.